Hi everyone, this is Kona, and I'm in as Danny Test, our test student, and I'm going to show you how to add an image to a discussion. So the first thing you would need to do is make sure you have your image saved to your computer somewhere. So make sure you have that image saved. I would recommend using something like Jing to do it, and that's covered somewhere else, but just make sure you have your image. But then go to your name up here in the upper right hand corner and click on your name. And then over here on the left, you're going to see something that says Files. Go ahead and click on your files, and you'll get a list of a bunch of folders and any files. So if you've already been in Canvas and working, good chance you've already uploaded files. So what you want to make sure you can watch out for, hold on, is that you haven't done your file limit. So in this case, I'm okay. So actually, I'll minimize really quick, and you can see down here, I'm okay, I haven't reached my storage limit. If you start getting closer to your storage limit, you might have to delete some things out. Don't delete anything without saving it back on your computer first, but just kind of as an FYI, if you're trying to upload something and it's not letting you, it's not going to give you an error message. You'll just have to come here and check your storage. So let's assume our storage is good. You can then either just add it to unfiled or something like that. Danny actually has an images for courses folder. If you would like an images for courses folder, all you would need to do is just click add folder, and we're going to call this example image folder. Just click off to create it. And then to add your file or your picture, you would click on your example images folder, click add files. I'm already in my Math 170, 171 images folder on my computer, so this is my computer. But if not, navigate your desktop or your documents or pictures or wherever you have it saved. Navigate there. So for me, I'm going to scroll down to my smartphone graph. I'm going to click open, and you can see over here it's uploading one file, and there you go. If you want to make sure this is the right file, you can preview it. And yep, that's the right one. Okay, so this was the first step. Now that you have this, the second step is adding it to the discussion. So I'm going to go over here. Now, Danny Test is not a student in our course, so I can't go into our course and do this. But what I'm going to do is go into the Canvas Student Resource course and show you how to do this in an example discussion. So let's pretend we're going into our discussion for our class, and we're going to click on our discussion for Chapter 2 and pretend all of the directions are here. So what you would want to do is click on that reply, and you could add the name of your article, and then you would want to put the link, so a link to article. And so then let's say we want to go ahead and include the picture. So what you would do is click Embed Image and click on Canvas. Let me reposition that. Click on Canvas. Click on Your Files, and then Images for Courses, except we didn't want that. We wanted Example Image Folder. And there's my smartphone graph right there. I'm going to go ahead and select it. You can change around these dimensions. So like I'm going to say, let's make this 300, and they'll automatically update. And you can always change this later, but I'm going to go ahead and update it, and there we go. Oh, you can also drag that down. If you just notice what I did, I just grabbed this corner. You see that little gray triangle? If you grab that gray triangle, you can pull that down to see more of what's going on with your discussion. So, okay, there it is. That looks nice. Name, link to article, and you can even do, here's question 1 and question 2. There's my article, so I'm going to copy that and paste in there. If you want to be really fancy, you could actually copy this. This is the link. You can click link, and you can put your link in there. So that way your article is linked, and then that way you wouldn't need that big, full, ugly link anymore. You can also, if you want to be really pretty, come in here, and sometimes I like to like put a table in, and so then you could actually move that up into there and copy and paste that in there. So those are just a few things. So now when I post reply, now one thing, you do not get to edit. So yes, very scary here. You do not get to edit. So make sure you're happy with this. I can go back and delete. So if something happens and it really is bad and you really do want it gone, you aren't going to be able to edit it, but you can email me and I can delete a post. But otherwise, when you click post reply down here, what you see is what you get. So if you're not sure about this or how it's going to look, there's no edit. So be very sure that you are happy with how you think it's going to look. So, so name your article, question 1, question 2, and make sure you have the link there. And here's my thing. I'm going to go ahead and post reply. And now you can see the way that looks. I don't expect any of this. Okay, so there you go. You can see the name of the article, the 2 questions, and here's the graph. And then you can also like it. So if you think, hey, that's pretty cool. And yes, you can like your own, but that's kind of cheesy, so you might not want to do that. And then you can also reply and do stuff like that. So, which you can also add images in your reply. So if you would like to add an image in your reply, you can do that as well. So I hope this all helps, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.